see me in the truck?
Come over here.
No, come here, motherfucker. Come here, motherfucker.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
No, you come here.
Why do we got a crazy
Blast
situation?
your ass, motherfucker.
As the clock struck the 24th of March 2024, the quiet atmosphere at a Wisconsin gas station was shattered by an unexpected confrontation. A deputy sheriff was completing a report when a series of events involving a 6-year-old man unfolded, lasting for hours.
And but tonight, your son will be dying, and there's nobody gonna heal him because you ain't got the money to do it.
I don't know, you approached me.
No, I'm telling you, you're not putting gas.
Yeah, I was working on something. I just finished up a report.
You told me you putting gas.
I was gonna get gas.
All right, let me see you put gas.
Is everything okay?
Are you okay?
I don't know, are you?
Are you okay?
How much you had to drink tonight?
I'm having a drink.
3344 Wisconsin truck plate.
Come inside? Let me go inside.
No, you approached me and it started causing issues.
You're telling me you pumping gas. I don't like that bullshit. I'm Marcos.
Wisconsin truck plate,
I'm
Union
not
X-ray
in that truck.
9380, Union X-ray
I'm not in that
9380.
truck.
He's confrontational.
Come here. Go in the bedroom. I'm not in the truck.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with you.
Come on, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Sir.
No, come here, come here, come here.
For what?
Come here. Am I in the truck? I'm not in that truck. I'm in the truck.
Whose truck is it?
I don't give a fuck. Come here.
3344 in quotes, he just stated I'm gonna.
Am I in that truck? Am I in that truck? Did you see me
Sir,
in that truck?
come over here.
No, come here, motherfucker. Come here, motherfucker.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
No, you come here.
Why do we got a crazy
Blast
situation?
your ass, motherfucker.
Calm
No,
down.
you come here. You're telling me you're putting gas. You ain't putting gas. Get your ass over here, motherfucker.
Come out here.
No, you come on here, motherfucker.
Come
You
out
come
here.
in here. No, you telling me I'm not in that truck.
Come out
You
here.
come here, motherfucker.
Why don't you step out here so we can leave them? Come out here.
Hostility erupted with ambiguous and challenging rhetoric. The line between normal dialogue and serious conversation suddenly became sharp. A worrying and tense confrontation scenario was gradually taking shape in the shadows of the gas station.
No, I'm not coming out. You
Step
coming
out
here.
here.
I'm not in that truck. You telling me you pumping gas? You're not pumping gas. Hey, come here.
3344
Hey,
said
tell
I
me,
was not
are
pumping
you,
gas.
are you spying on me?
Hey, step on out here.
No, I'm not coming out. Come in here.
Why not? You approached me.
What are you
Just
doing?
advising he's
Because you
extremely
ain't there.
hostile because I wasn't pumping gas.
Come here, motherfucker.
Why don't you step out here
No, I'm
with
not
me?
coming out. Hey, I'm in here because I'm just buying a donut.
We're not gonna cause issues within
No,
the store.
You come in here. Come here.
Do not go back there.
Look, I'm right here.
Do not go back there.
I'm not buying no alcohol. I'm just buying my donut. Hey.
That's fine.
Am I walking?
But you just threatened a law enforcement
I
officer.
didn't try
so
to.
we're
You
not.
saying you're pumping gas. You're not pumping gas.
Has nothing to do with you.
Oh, and nothing to do with me?
No, you
Are you
approached
pumping
me.
gas? You're telling me I'm pumping gas. Are you threatening me?
I am not.
Are you threatening me?
But right now you're causing a disturbance.
I'm not calling who
Yes, you are.
Am I messing with him?
You're causing a disturbance in the store. Let's
Oh.
step outside.
No, I'm not going outside. You want to get down? Let's get down. Who do you think you are? You don't know who I am.
You need to relax.
Hey,
Keep your shirt on.
hey, look, I ain't got nothing. I want you
your
to
shirt
kiss
on.
me because I ain't got nothing on me. I'm just walking here. I'm just trying to get a donut, and I bought a donut.
3344. We're in the Quick Trip store. He's
Am I
taking
doing
his shirt
wrong?
off.
Am I
Stated
doing
we're
wrong?
gonna get down.
You're on your way.
Am I doing wrong? Did I buy a donut here?
I would appreciate
3344. At this point,
Hey,
we have
he's telling me
resisting
that I'm
threats of law
drinking and I got
enforcement
beer
and
and
DC. Sir, step out of the store so we can go out and talk.
No, I'm saying here.
We're not going to cause more issues in here.
Hey, I'm not doing wrong. I just bought a donut. Did I buy a donut? Hey? Stay with me, bro. I'm about to destroy the whole country. Hey, am I doing
You're
wrong?
going to stay right where you're at.
Hey, I'm not doing nothing.
You're going to stay right where you're at.
Have I bought any beer? Am I doing anything wrong?
Not by me.
And I'm telling him, he's telling me that I'm driving a truck. Hey, and I'm drinking. Hey, and I'm buying beer. I'm not buying beer.
Just stay where you're at.
I'm right here. Look, I ain't got nothing on me. Look.
Okay, that's fine. Right now, we're going to stay right here. Okay, you're not going to go back there.
I'm not, where am I going? I get on my knees like I always do.
I don't know where you're going.
I get on my knees.
Okay.
But you're not going to risk me for what? Because I'm Hispanic?
It has nothing to do with your Hispanic.
Hey, I know the universe. And I'm not doing nothing wrong. I just came here to buy me a donut. That's it.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with you buying a
And
donut.
you're telling me you're pumping gas and you're telling me why am I driving that truck when I'm not driving nothing?
I was asking if it was your truck because I was trying to identify
No,
you.
you telling me.
Stay there. Do not approach me.
You telling me, am I driving the truck? Am I driving the truck? Am I driving the truck? Look, I'm going to take off my shirt.
Keep your
And
shirt
I
on.
got no weapons, I got nothing. I went
Okay.
to the because this is going to go worldwide because I got cameras all around. I got cameras inside my body. Look, you can't mess with the universe. I got you.
Stay where you're at.
No, look.
Hey, keep that on.
Keep your shirt on.
No. Look,
I gotta
look.
kick you out if
Look.
you don't have a shirt.
Keep your shirt
I
on.
got nothing.
That's fine. Keep your shirt on.
You see a weapon on me?
Keep your shirt on.
No, hold on. Do I have a weapon? Okay.
Stay
Now,
back.
Look. No, stand down for what? No, you stand down. No, I'm gonna put my shirt back on.
That's fine. Put your clothes
If
back
you want, we can get down.
Do not approach me.
I got the universe on my side. Why you shaking? Why you mouth going in a circle? You ain't got, me. My boots ain't got nothing. Look, you got no weapon. Look.
Keep your clothes on.
You got the camera on? You better have the camera on. Look, I got nothing. I just put my shirt back on.
Jose.
Jose?
Is that your first name?
Jose? Who's Jose?
I don't know. I'm asking if that's your first name.
Jose?
What's your first
How
name,
do you
bud?
know my Jose? I'm not
I don't
Jose. Do what the fuck you gotta do. That I got you in a lawsuit.
Sent you.
That I came, got out.
Stay where you're at. You ain't going anywhere but where you're at.
I'm scared.
Put your hands behind your back for me, bud.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind
Put
your
your hands
back.
back.
Hold on.
Hands behind your back.
Hold on, for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me,
Don't resist. You're gonna get tased.
for what? I'm just showing them that
You're under arrest.
Huh?
You're under arrest
For what?
for some stuff we'll tell you about in a minute, okay?
At 1 a.m., an unsolvable scenario unfolds between Marco and the police officer. As the authorities' attempts at understanding clash with the chaotic reality emanating from the 46-year-old man, the established order begins to crumble. Control slowly slips away, setting the stage for a long and tumultuous night ahead.
Let me put on my boot.
Black band, the cash in his boot. Come on.
Hold on, let me put my other boot. Hold on.
We're gonna walk you out.
We're
Why
gonna
am I
walk.
being arrested for?
Spinning this way.
What am I being? I'm not.
I already told you, you're gonna walk.
What? I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Anything sharp, dangerous, illegal on you, it's gonna poke me and stick me.
I don't know what the.
All right,
why
just
am
relax.
I being arrested
I
for?
already told you you're under arrest. You're not listening.
Listening for what, sir?
Sure
I'm
you're
just
good?
saying- I'm just saying-
You good?
Yeah.
Sir, I don't know what's going on.
Have a seat.
Hold on. Let me sit down. Hold
Okay,
on.
have a seat.
'Cause I got a broken arm. I got a broken everything. Hold on.
Slide in.
What's going on?
Slide in.
What is going on?
You're under arrest. Slide
For
your feet in.
what? Hold on, sir. What am I being? For what?
Just relax.
Now I can't even come and get money off the ATM?
Should I come back to him then?
I don't know. I said Jose. I thought that's what they said, but I don't know if they're talking about me or somebody else.
Here.
Oh, yeah, his ID's in this
Already
one,
got
ain't it?
Frank stuff or whatever.
There's nobody else in the vehicle. 2 kids left in a different car. And he crashed into the pole. Still cold. I got a receipt for a Bush Light Pack 30 pack. That was from tonight, just before 8 p.m.
Marco's behavior in the patrol car is a testament to the collapse of his delusional ego. His feigned pain and excuse for withdrawing money were merely desperate attempts to cover up his earlier death threats. The contrast between his clumsy lies and rigorous law enforcement procedures reveals Marco's complete loss of control, leading to his immediate deprivation of his authority to ensure public safety.
No, you go right ahead.
Yeah, corn door.
I mean, I get paid by the hour, so you take your time.
You want a corn door?
I don't touch me.
I mean, he hit it, but I don't think he's... Yeah, it's...
There's no damage.
No, it doesn't look like there's actual any damage, though. We didn't do a traffic stop or anything. He just came up and started yelling at me, so...
Right on.
Yeah. Thanks for standing by.
Yeah.
I didn't know where that was going to go.
I just didn't want him taking
Nope,
off.
I just didn't want him going back here, so... Yeah, just work on that. We'll get that from you when we can. And...
You got it.
All right. Well, thanks for the assist. So right now you're under arrest.
For what?
Okay.
For I don't know what I'm being arrested for.
Well, we're going to investigate the OWI portion because I can smell the
No,
odor of toxins.
no.
But right now you are under arrest for
No.
felony threats to law enforcement and disorderly conduct.
No, I don't know what I'm being arrested. I'm not even driving the truck.
And
No,
resist.
for what? No. Be fair with me because I would beat you guys in
Marco.
court. I just came in and got a donut. I was walking.
Okay.
And why did you come with me with putting out the gun and everything?
It was a taser.
I had a taser out.
No, your gun. What, you trying to check for drugs? I don't have drugs. I know what you're doing, man. I check. Hey. I know what you got drugs. Put it on the camera.
I'm going to shut the window.
I got you, man. Y'all going down. Why you doing this to me, man? Why? Because y'all hate me? Because you're white? Racist?
For sure. All right, well, I'm going to head to the Sally Port and see. No, thanks. Appreciate
Take
it.
him with you?
No, I haven't eaten any actual food, so that was going to give me heartburn. I was actually trying to go home to eat, but that happened.
You You were kind of a fool for thinking you were even going to get an opportunity to go home today.
I kind of felt like that, so that's why I was like, well, maybe I'll grab something from here.
Y'all spying on me? Just because you're white, I'm gonna run all the prisons. Don't worry about my past, man. Worry what the fuck I did for the homeless. And I killed JFK and Martin Luther King. Cause Japan and Russia gonna come and fuck you guys up. Y'all did the atomic bomb over there in Hiroshima. Y'all dropped them. I hate Virginia. I hate Area 51. They ain't shit. I ain't Area 51. God chose me. I am the Walking Dead, motherfucker. And but tonight, your son will be dying. And there nobody gonna heal them, cause you ain't got the money to do it. It's gonna cost me $56 billion. White breed, motherfucker. You can shoot me right now 20 times, I'll get you, I get up, and I'll laugh and spit them bullets in your I'm coming for you, motherfucker. You heard me? I can only stop my people. I'm not gonna stop them. Get that demon out this motherfucker. God, I am the Son of God. I am Jesus Christ. I'm the most powerful motherfucker. World. Wake up, America! Donald Trump said, I will make America again! Not Biden, but America! That's when George Washington said, you will put me to death! You will be doing witchcraft! You'll be put to death! When you go to Mexico, my people are gonna fuck you up and chase you and lock you up!
The shift from hateful rhetoric to religious delusions reveals a personality severely distorted by stimulants. Marco not only defied the law, but also attacked the personal dignity of law enforcement officers. The use of extreme curses was a last-ditch effort to regain mental control, but in reality, it only exacerbated his sentence with aggravating circumstances related to threatening behavior.
I don't think this is gonna go very well. I'm gonna ask him if he wants to do fields. If he says no, I'm gonna leave.
No, f that nigga. I just bought a donut, man.
Hey, Marco.
I just bought a donut.
Okay, so do you want to go through any standardized field sobriety exercises?
No, motherfucker. Hey, he's going down. Y'all know he's going down. Hey, he's going down, right? Look, he's going down, right? Better tell me, is he with the right person or the wrong person?
All right, I'm gonna read this form to you, okay?
You're supposed to read it.
All right, under Wisconsin flag, it's law to read this notice to you.
Open this.
They've been arrested for an offense that involves driving or operating a motor vehicle while under the
I
influence
was walking.
of alcohol or drugs, or both, or you are operator of a vehicle.
I don't know
You've either been arrested for an
What's your name?
of consuming an intoxicating beverage. This law enforcement agency now wants to test one or more samples of your breath, blood, or urine.
You're supposed to read my shit and I'm gonna arrest it.
Marco, will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood?
No,
yes or
because
no?
you're supposed to read my rights when I'm gonna arrest it. Not right now.
You're saying no?
No, you're supposed to read my rights.
All right.
The trip to the hospital exposed Marco's psychological impasse when confronted by law enforcement. Instead of cooperating to mitigate the consequences, he chose to confront them with disjointed and contextually irrelevant legal arguments.
Take me in or do something, man, please, because I don't feel good. I'm having chest pains. I want to go to the hospital. Can I go to the hospital? I can't breathe, boy.
Do you need an ambulance right now, Marco?
Yes, I can't breathe good right now. Please, please.
Wow, it looks so real, but maybe he's just drunk.
Marco, sit up. Marco.
Marco, wake up.
No, you're not gonna close the door. No, hey, so, hey, you can't, hey, call the ambulance,
Oh, you're not hurt, bud.
No, I'm not hurt, no,
Go to the other side.
hey, ma'am, sir, ma'am,
we're
record
done.
me,
I'm recording.
no, record me, sir, hey, if you break my fucking leg, you cannot break my leg because,
Pull your leg in.
hey, sir,
Pull your leg in.
okay,
You're gonna get tased. Pull your leg in.
Hey,
It's the last opportunity.
hey,
You don't
Bring your leg in.
bring it in.
look, my leg's inside.
You're in?
Then bring it in.
It's inside.
Marco. Gotta stay awake so we can keep an eye on you.
Hey.
What?
There you go.
No.
Hey, get your foot in.
Hey, hold on, hey. What, you kill me, man? Oh, let it go!
3344, he attempted to kick at me once we opened the door to do a sternum run. He'll be backing around.
Help me, man. I need to go to the hospital.
Well, we're going to the hospital right now, Marco.
Get me up, man, because I can't breathe.
Marco.
My whole chest hurts now.
Well, You've had several sternum rubs because you keep acting like you're not responding to us.
Because I'm not, but y'all tased me and I got all.
Never tased you.
Yes, you did.
Never once.
In my chest.
All right, step on out.
All right, I'm gonna take that phrase. What do you mean you don't know? Oh, I can't even move, so you broke my hands are broken, my ankles are broken. Y'all broke everything.
All right, Marco. The warrant for the blood draw, okay? Signed by the judge. Warrant for the taking of the blood sample for the body of the above driver is hereby issued by the court. Number 2, and shall be subject to the supervision of law enforcement officers. Number 3, the officer within 5 days return the search warrant within 48.
Hey, bud.
It's been signed by Judge Voigt on 3/24/24.
Hey, the universe is with me, right? Mm-hmm. Whoa! Come on. The universe is with me. I better rep. The universe is with me. I got it. The universe is with me. I ain't gonna do nothing, man. Just relax. No, relax. Stop. You better respect me, motherfucker. I'll fuck you up outside, motherfucker. You know what the fuck I am?
All right, Marco, can you hold real still
relax
for me?
Relax, Marco. What you gotta do? Look at that blood. Hey, that's a blood you never seen before, Rick. That's a blood you never seen before, Rick.
Oh, I see it in all colors.
Hey, Marco. Step on here, buddy.
What's up, bro? You doing good? You want to dance a little bit? I'm not gonna dance.
The surveillance camera system exposed Marco's lies, confirming that he did indeed arrive at the store earlier, around 12:07 a.m., before the police officer arrived. Marco's repeated offenses in May and June 2024, including harassing service animals, demonstrate a severe personality disorder and an absolute disregard for the law. Despite facing a series of serious charges ranging from felony threats to drunk driving for the 3rd time, Marco's sentence of only 60 days in jail and 36 months of probation is a somewhat lenient outcome thanks to a no-controversial plea agreement. However, the fact that the charges were dismissed, but still read in, will place a huge legal burden, meaning any mistake during probation could send him back to prison with the maximum penalty.